Set up your data. Here we have um, a number of different years in which censuses were held in China. We have the population, per, the people count, and then we have the number of household people per household for each of the census counts. And we want to graph these things together. So we're going to select all of the data, go to Insert, go to Recommended Charts, and scroll down until we get to Scatter Chart. Scatter Chart's going to allow us to show the year data spread out as it actually occurred instead of being evenly spread out as though they were the same periods between each point. Now, one of the problems is that the population chart is plotted against a scale that goes from 0 to 70 million, and we don't have anything near that big for our households. They go from 0 to 8. So we need to get a different axis for that information. So we select the chart and we go up to change chart type and combo, and we're going to select this one over here that is the clustered column line on secondary axis option. And now you can see that the information here is both pieces of data are plotted, but it's changed the population to bar charts. Now, if you want this, that's fine. But if you'd rather have two different lines to compare, then you click on the information that you want to change. That is, in this case, one of the bars in the population data. Go back up to change type and go to line and pick the way you want the line to show. And in this case, we picked one that shows the um, line with the information dots. And you can also do that if you want to with the other chart plotted data as well. So that gives you some idea of where to look and how to plot these different pieces of information.